Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with the legendary Arboga geared head pedestal drill. This drill is ideal for serious workshops requiring a robust, reliable, heavy-duty drill. Suitable for drilling all types of material, from light plastics to toughened tool steels. This machine has been crafted in Sweden and its ergonomic design makes it extremely user-friendly. The electrical system has been manufactured using high-quality European Schneider switchgear. The gearbox is fitted with toughened gears, making it extremely reliable and suitable for heavy-duty drilling. This machine has been built from high-grade cast iron, making it extremely durable even in the harshest environments. Some of the features include a 2-speed motor with 8 gear ranges, a depth drilling gauge with both metric and imperial scales, an easy-to-access feed control selector. The head and the table are both adjustable to the desired working height. The auto feed function can be easily engaged and disengaged from the quill handle. Some of the safety functions include an easy-to-access emergency stop button, a double laminated interlock chuck guard, and all models with a 4-Morse taper have automatic tapping reversal. If you require a heavy-duty drill that will last a lifetime, then the Arboga is the right machine for you. You can buy online or you can contact us for more information.